Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Kodisa. I'm your host and problem solver Utpal. Today we will look at this problem called 2-sum. So let us first go through this problem. Given an array of integers num and an integer target, return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. Okay, so this is the most important statement. So we have to find the pairs of number whose sum will be equal to the target. Okay, so basically if you look at this test case, you'll see that 2 whose index is 0 plus 7 whose index is 1. Basically, we have to return the indexes, the indices. Okay. So it also means that there is exactly one solution to the above problem. Okay. So there are multiple ways to solve this. Okay. The first way will be to have nested loops. Like we'll look for the combination like 2 plus 7 if it is equal to 9 or not, 2 plus 11 if it is equal to 9 or not, 7 plus 15 if it is equal to 9 or not, and so on. But that would result in a time complexity of n square because we are iterating twice over the length of the norms. Okay. So we'll try to solve this problem in a better way. So for that we'll be using dictionary. Okay. So that our lookup will become faster. So let's begin coding. We'll first use a dictionary is equal to. Okay. Once we have the dictionary ready, we will enumerate through the numbers list. Okay. For index comma value in enumerate nums. Okay. Now what we will do is we'll try to look for the value. We'll try to compute the difference first because basically the idea behind is it we'll try to do a 9 minus 2 7, and if we'll try to look for if 7 is present in the list or not. If it is present, then return the indexes of both the numbers. Fine. So first we'll compute the diff. Diff is equal to target minus v. V is the current value. Okay. So if diff in D. So basically we are trying to look for the difference in the keys of the dictionary. Okay. But right now we know that there are no keys, or basically we have not created the dictionary, right? So what we will do, so that we will take care in the else part of this loop. Okay. So first if it is found, then what we will do is return the both the indexes like d of diff and the current index. Okay. If it is not present, what we will do is we'll try to append it like d of v will be equal to I. Okay. So what it is currently happening is, um, what this step does is it tries to keep the values in this way, like 2 0. 2 is mapped to its index. 7 is mapped to its index. 11 is mapped to its index, and so on. Okay. Let's have a dry run through it. Okay. First, 2 will come into picture. So I will be equal to index of 2 will be equal to 0 and value is 2. So diff is equal to 9 minus 2 7. So 7 in d dot keys. Right now the dictionary is empty, so it will not work. Now it will come to the else part. So d of v will be equal to I, right? So d of 2 will be equal to 0. So we have inserted the first element like 2 of 0. 2 and 0. Then it will go to the next element like 7. So 7, the index is 1, the value is 7, right? Diff will be equal to 9 minus 7 2. But if you remember that we have already inserted 2 into the dictionary, so 2 in dictionary, that is true, right? Then we'll just return it like d of diff, that is 2, is equal to the index is equal will be equal to 0, and I, the current index, that is 1. Okay. Now the output will be 0 and 1. I hope it is clear. Okay, let's try to run this. But before that, let me remove these comments because the code will look good. We'll try to run it. Okay, we can see that we are getting the correct output 0 and 1. Let's try to submit it. Great. We are able to submit it and it got accepted. You can say that it's 96.3% faster. Right. I hope you like this video. Do reach out to me in case of any doubts. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. We will meet again.